Vivo X50, Vivo X50 Pro, Vivo X50 Pro Plus launch. So we will be talking about the price and specifications of all the three phones. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. If we talk about the price of all these three phones, the Vivo X50 is priced at rupees 37,100 for the 8GB plus 128GB storage option, and roughly 41,300 for the 8GB plus 256GB option. The Vivo X50 will be offered in black mirror, shallow and liquid oxygen color options. The phone is up for pre-sales right now on the official website and will go on sale from June 6th. So if we talk about the Vivo X50 Pro, on the other hand, is priced roughly rupees 45,600 for the 8GB plus 128GB storage option, and roughly 49,800 for the 8GB plus 256GB storage option. The phone will be available in black mirror and liquid oxygen color options. The Vivo X50 Pro is also up for pre-sales on the official website and will go on sale from June 12th. Lastly, the Vivo X50 Pro Plus is priced roughly 53,000 for the 8GB plus 128GB storage option, and roughly 58,300 for the 8GB plus 256GB storage option, and roughly rupees 63,300 for 12GB plus 256GB storage option. The Vivo X50 Pro Plus will go on sale sometime in July. If we talk about the specifications, the Vivo X50 runs on Android 10 based Fun Touch OS 10.5 and supports dual SIM nano connectivity. The phone features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 398 ppi pixel density, 92.8% screen to body ratio and HDR. It is powered by the Snapdragon 765G SoC paired with Adreno 620 GPU and up to 8GB of RAM. Internal storage is offered up to 256GB. Coming to the optics, the Vivo X50 has a quad camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel portrait camera, and 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Rear camera features includes 20x digital zoom, 4200 mAh battery with 33 volt fast charging support inside the Vivo X50. If we talk about the connectivity options, include a SA and NSA, 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C and more. The Vivo X50 also packs in screen fingerprint sensor. If we talk about the specifications, the Vivo X50 Pro also runs on Android 10 based Fun Touch OS 10.5 and supports dual SIM support. The phone features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED curved edge display with 398 ppi pixel density, 92.6% screen to body ratio and HDR 10 plus support. It is powered by the Snapdragon 765G SoC paired with Adreno 620 GPU and up to 8GB of RAM. The internal storage is offered up to 256GB. As for the cameras, the Vivo X50 Pro also has a quad camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, a 13 megapixel portrait camera with f2.46 aperture, an 8 megapixel telephoto shooter with f3.4 aperture, and an 8 megapixel macro camera with f2.2 aperture. For the upfront, the Vivo X50 Pro has a 32 megapixel selfie camera inside a hole punch cutout with f2.45 aperture. Front camera features include night view, portrait, panorama, dynamic photo, slow motion, short video and ARQ shot. The phone has a 4315 mAh battery with 33 volt fast charging support. If we talk about the connectivity options on the Vivo X50, the Pro includes SA and NSA, 5G, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more. The Vivo X50 Pro also packs an in-display fingerprint sensor. Lastly, if we talk about the Vivo X50 Pro Plus, it is powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC and it has a 50 megapixel main shooter with 1.13-inch pixel size for better low light photography. The display refresh rate on this premium variant goes up to 128 Hz and is also supports 44 volt fast charging. The phone has a leather finish back panel and supports up to 112 GB of RAM. Rest of the Vivo X50 Pro Plus specifications are identical of the Vivo X50 Pro. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel.